Hello everyone, my name is Juan Carlos, and today I want to talk about my life. My presentation has two parts. First, I'm going to talk about my daily routine and my habits. And second, I'm going to share a good memory from a trip last year. Let's start with my daily life. I am a happy graphic designer at the studio, and I also study English at the university. I live with my family. My sister's name is Sarah, and she is a student too. Our daily routine is very simple. I wake up at 7 a.m. and I usually drink a glass of water first, and then I make breakfast. In my kitchen, there is some fresh bread and there are some eggs. I love cooking breakfast, but there isn't much milk in the fridge today, so I need to buy more. I often have a cup of hot coffee before work. I hate drinking soda in the morning. I prefer water or fresh juice after breakfast. I walk to my office because it is near my house. In the afternoon, I sometimes meet Sarah for lunch. She never eats fast food, so we eat green salad. In our free time, we both like taking photos in the city. Now let me tell you about my very special memory. Last year, I was in Roma, Italy, for a short holiday. It was a great experience. The weather was beautiful, sunny and warm every day. The people were very kind and friendly to me. Look at the photos on my slide. This cafe was my favorite place. The coffee was perfect. And look at those old rings in the photo. They were big and beautiful. Of course, the food was the best part of the trip. How many pizzas did I eat? And how much pasta was in my plate? A lot. There were many good plates to try, and there was a happy atmosphere in every place. I also happy there. To finish, if you want to visit Rome one day, I have some tips for you. You should visit the park early in the morning. You shouldn't forget to pack good shoes. Try the local ice cream on the warm afternoon. And don't use expensive taxis. Go to enjoy the view. Thank you for your time.